Hello everyone, you're welcome. Today I would like to teach you this circle, how to make this circle. I will call it a flat head. In case you want to make what is called a beanie for yourself or for a baby, this is how you're going to start. This is just how to make a basic beanie. And the reason why I'm teaching you how to make this is I want to teach you a type of increase in crocheting, a type of increase. So if you look at this circle, you notice that this one is small, this one is more, it's growing, it's getting wider and wider. And to achieve this, we need to know some little crochet tricks, or should I call it technique. So I'd like you to follow me as I go. But today I'll be using this color. This is a brighter color, which you can see very well. So what we're going to do first is called a slip knot. A slip knot. I will have to make another video for you in case you want to make it a beanie, and how to take your measurements, how to know the size of the head. Though there are standard sizes, but you can actually make you can determine your own size. You can determine the size when you want to make it. So this is what you're going to do: making a slip knot, leaving this still because it's very important. Chain 5, then you're going to do what is called a slip stitch, not a slip knot this time around, a slip stitch. So you bring your hook to the beginning chain, insert your hook there, yarn over. You want to make a circle, you just pull the through together. It actually looks like a single crochet, but it's not a single crochet, because this one you're going to pull through the two at the same time. So I think I'll need you to go back to your single crochet stitch. So what you're going to do is that your chain 2, so this chain 2, we're not going to count it now, so we're going to make 12 double crochet inside, coming through the center, and we're going to work this one in. We're going to work it in our work. So yarn over, do 12 double crochet,